Ever wondered if you could combine your love for gaming with something a little more lucrative? Welcome to today's discussion where we'll explore the fascinating realm of online games that let you earn real money. First on our list are think online poker, chess, or fantasy sports leagues. These games reward you based on your skills. Various websites and apps host tournaments where you can compete, show off your abilities, and walk off with some cool cash prizes. Next, we have numerous online platforms offer a variety of these games where you can try your luck. Some games even offer free spins and bonuses that could lead to real money wins. Our third category is if you fancy testing your knowledge, there are apps and websites that reward you for participating in trivia and quiz games. Showcase your expertise, have fun, and earn money at the same time. Fourth on our list are a multitude of mobile apps have incorporated gaming elements where you can earn points or rewards by playing games. These points can then be exchanged for cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Finally, we have if you're into competitive gaming, esports might be your ticket to earning money. Compete in tournaments, build a following, and you might even secure sponsorships, all while doing what you love. But before you dive in, remember, always, it's crucial to understand the rules and terms of the game or platform you're using. Gaming for money can be addictive. Set limits and play responsibly. Not all platforms are created equal. Look for reputable sites with good reviews. So, there you have it. A variety of online games that offer you the chance to earn money while having a blast. But remember, gaming should primarily be about fun. So enjoy the process, and any earnings should be a bonus. What are your favorite online games to earn money? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Until the next time, happy gaming and best of luck with those cash wins.